In this video, I'll show you how to insert a Google drawing into Google Slides. There are 5 different methods depending on what you need, so I'll walk you through all of them. The first method is to create a new drawing from scratch directly within Slides. Click on the slide where you want the drawing in the left sidebar. Click Insert on the menu bar, then select Drawing, then New. A Google Drawings editor pops up in a new window. Use the drawing tools, shapes, lines, text boxes, to create your drawing. Once you're done, click Save and Close. The finished drawing gets inserted directly into your slide. If you need to edit it later, just double-click the drawing to reopen the editor. If you already have a drawing saved in Google Drive and want to insert that, here's the next method. Select the slide where you want the drawing. Click Insert, then Drawing, then From Drive. Click the drawing you want to insert, then click Select. The inserted drawing is linked to the original file. If you ever edit the original drawing in Google Drive, click the Update button that appears in Slides to pull in the changes. The quickest method is copy-paste. Open your Google drawing, select all the elements with Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac, then copy with Ctrl+C or Command+C. Go to your Google Slides presentation and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. This method preserves formatting perfectly, and you can move or resize the drawing freely on your slide. If you want your drawing to stay live linked and update automatically, use this method. Open your Google drawing, click File, then Publish to the web. Choose the Embed tab and copy the link that's generated. Go to Google Slides, click Insert, then Image, then By URL. Paste the link into the field and click Insert. Now when you update the original drawing, Slides will automatically refresh it. Finally, if you want a static image version, you can download and upload. Open your file in Google Drawings, click File, then Download. Choose PNG, JPEG, or SVG. Go back to Google Slides and click Insert, then Image, then Upload from Computer. Select your downloaded image file. You can resize or move it anywhere you want. The drawing appears as a static image, so it won't update if you change the original. A few quick tips. PNG gives the best quality for slides when you're downloading. Only the published link method updates automatically. The others stay as they are when you insert them. You can add as many drawings as you want to one slide. Thanks for watching.